Hey you guys, I'm Manish and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where I break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you different ways to wear jumpers inspired by none other than Kartik Aaryan, who has an impressive collection of jumpers. He was spotted in a white graphic print hoodie as well as a yellow graphic jumper which had a stick figure illustration on it. Kartik layered the white hoodie with a red checkered shirt peeping through. He paired it with blue ripped jeans and white sneakers. This casual outfit looked uber comfortable while scoring really high on the style meter. He paired the yellow jumper with reflective joggers and rounded out the outfit with white sneakers again. When buying a jumper, ensure you pick one that's at least a couple of inches loose for you. Jumpers look best when they have a relaxed fit. Let me show you guys a few ways that you can rock the jumper. First up, I have this orange graphic printed hoodie which will literally add a burst of sunshine to your wardrobe. Black joggers like the ones that I have over here will only enhance the laid-back look. Complete the outfit with your most comfortable sneakers and don't forget to throw on a snapback cap. This chilled out look would work really well as an airport outfit of the day as it keeps you warm yet stylish. Up next, I have this color block hoodie which has shades of black, white and grey to give it a very modern yet relaxed look, and it's totally worth the investment. Pair this hoodie with a pair of black jeans similar to the ones that I have over here. Throw on a pair of high-top white sneakers in order to rock that street style look. You can also style this hoodie with a combination of black joggers similar to the ones that I have here and black flip-flops which would look great with this hoodie and will complete a very chilled out yet high on style look. But if you like outfits that have a bit more color, then this next sweatshirt is totally for you. It's got various shades of maroon that are stitched together with raised borders. I would suggest rolling up the sleeves on this jumper and throwing on a leather strap watch. Wear it with straight fit jeans with a slight amount of distress, very similar to the ones that I have over here. Throw on tan sneakers and the look would be completed beautifully. The color of this jumper makes it perfect for nighttime events. Think a more casual night out with friends or just maybe a house party. Now this jumper would also look great with a shirt underneath. Choose a shirt in a more contrasting color like white, black or grey. Throw on a pair of jeans and loafers and you're pretty much good to go. Well guys, I hope you're inspired to try this trend that's loved by Bollywood. And with that, we come to the end of this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Today, I'm going to break down one of Kartik Aaryan's looks. Now, the actor was spotted in raglan sleeves superhero t-shirt and joggers combo which he wore to the gym. White sneakers and an olive snapback cap completed this entire comfortable gym look that's easy to recreate. Raglan sleeves are characterized by the raglan sleeves which extend completely from the collar all the way down the sleeves in one piece. The contrasting sleeve detail adds a level of style to the basic tee and will help you create a look that is an elevated take on everyday casual dressing. So what you can do is start with a grey t-shirt like this one which has navy raglan sleeves that works really well to hide any of the bulk that you have either on your shoulders or on your arms. What you can also do is ensure that you roll up your sleeves in order to really up that cool quotient. Now you can pair this t-shirt with blue jeans, black flip-flops and a black snapback cap for a look that's casual, cool and perfect for running errands. This next t-shirt I have here is a great way to add a touch of print to a raglan sleeve t-shirt. Now the graphic print along the chest basically adds a really young feel to this navy blue raglan sleeve t-shirt which also has contrasting stripes of beige and blue along the sleeves. Now with this t-shirt, I would suggest pairing black jeans like the ones that I have over here in order to create a casual look. Complete the look with white sneakers and a backpack and you are sorted for college. So the next t-shirt I have here reinterprets the raglan sleeve trend which has a black contrasting stripe running all the way from the shoulder down the sleeves on a white base. Now the combination of horizontal stripes across in black, white and mustard yellow creates a graphic look that would up your casual wear game instantly. Now throw on a pair of black skinny jeans like the ones that I have here and a pair of black boots to get a completely stylish look. Now guys, if long sleeves are not really your thing, then I have another great option for you, which is my next t-shirt. Now this t-shirt has a half raglan sleeve that's perfect for warmer months. The black, white and red horizontal stripes gives it a very sporty yet an equally stylish feel. Now I would suggest wearing this t-shirt with a pair of blue jeans, or what you can also do is throw on a pair of joggers like these ones that I have over here. Now to complete the look, wear a pair of chunky white sneakers to give it that modern edge, and don't forget to add your favorite smartwatch. Well guys, I hope you're inspired to add a bit more flair to your casual wear with this style of t-shirts that's extremely flattering, easy to style and super fun. That's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.